Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Teresa's lamp from Florida. And she has a note here, and basically she's saying that Mickey doesn't work. And so we want to go ahead and start troubleshooting this lamp. And we're going to go ahead and show you the inside. I have the bottom loose, and we want to go in and troubleshoot our circuits here. So what we're going to do is take a short break. We're going to do our troubleshooting, and we're going to get this lamp prepared for Teresa, and then we'll come back and do our final checks. So we'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of the Mickey lamp. And so we have it plugged in now, and what we want to do is there's a switch in the back, and we want to go ahead and turn the switch on.
What a bright idea!
And then we want to hit our button to turn the lamp off.
Like so!
And we'll go ahead and turn it back on.
You can see what you're doing.
We'll turn it off.
So long, pal.
And we want to turn it on again.
Ah, that's better.
And we can turn it off.
See you real soon.
And we'll do that one more time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see you.
And we'll go ahead and turn the lamp off. Now we know Mickey has been repaired. We can return him to Teresa, and she can enjoy this lamp again. It's a very cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and these are very sought after. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.